Alright guys, so today we're going to be removing the tailgate struts on a Model 3. I've seen some pretty bad videos, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I do it. I'm used to working on Toyotas, so it's a lot easier for me to work with, but this is going to be a Tesla, so it's a little bit new and it's not as easy to access some of the areas on the strut. So we're going to go ahead and show you how I get this done. So we want to make sure that you use microfiber towels to cover up the windshield, because this part is sticking out and it will easily crack if you're going to be prying the strut away from the window. So make sure you guys cover this up. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the top of the strut here. So the top is a lot easier than the bottom. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to remove this retaining clip. It's this metal clip that's here. You will have access if you squeeze through your flathead here. There you go. Once that's loose, you can go ahead and pull that strut out, so you can wedge it underneath and then just pull it, because you want to remove the retaining clip. Get your flathead, push it through, then the top part's off. Then the next part is going to be the tricky part. That's going to be this area here. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. So again, the retaining clip is on this side right here. So if I clean this off, let's remove this. That's the retaining clip underneath. But again, it is hard to remove because you're not able to wedge the flathead underneath. So what we're going to be essentially doing is just wedging the flathead to the side right here. You want to get a good position that you're underneath the strut. And then at the same time, I'm going to use my hand to pull and wedge it off. So let's stick it in there. All right. Wedge it through. There you go. There it pops off.